Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are talking all about my new window cleaning business website. First of all, who made my website was Nicejob. I was lucky enough my first year of business to be able to partner with Nicejob. Nicejob does convert websites, and they also do an awesome review program to get you more reviews for your business. So I am going to go over the different features of my website and the different features into the back interface that Nicejob has for you when you are able to create a website with them. This is a convert website. When you decide to go with them to create a website, they kind of give you a bunch of different options. You talk to someone also over the phone and kind of go through a bunch of different stuff that you want on your website. They create it within like 2 to 3 weeks, and then you've got an awesome website to put out there and show your customers. It's very easy to navigate, which is I think one of the most important things. It looks good on your phone, it looks good on your PC or laptop. So what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go through my website. I'm going to go back and forth a little bit in between the back interface to show you some of the features and what they're called and just what they do. So this is going to be a real basic outline. If you are looking for, to have more questions answered, I will put my link for Nicejob. You can reach them and kind of ask them a lot more questions if you're interested in having them create a website for your business. And, I really feel like websites are extremely important. I think it's just that professional element that someone can see and go to. And then you can also have different things like they can fill out a box to get you the information for a quote, just different stuff like that. So let's just jump straight into it. And we're just gonna do a kind of a image here of my screen and look over my website. Okay, so this is my website, pureprofessionalwindowcleaning.com. Got my logo up here in the left-hand corner. Residential and commercial premium window cleaning in Boulder, Colorado. Up here, window cleaning, reviews, gallery, get quote, call us. So I click on window cleaning, it just goes right down here and let the sun shine through. And a lot of these things you'll see on my website are stuff that I asked them a little bit to put in, but I also trusted them with putting in the right things as far as what to put in my website. So I think part of it is letting go a little bit and letting them, the professionals who create websites all the time, do what they feel is best. And that's what I did here. So we click on window cleaning, we go to this, a couple cool pictures of water-fed pole. I also just want to show you, if you scroll down from the top thing here, you'll see affordable quality, satisfaction guaranteed, more effective. So these are just all key things to kind of have on your website just to interact with the customer possibly on your website, just to show that professional part of your business basically. And then if we were to just keep scrolling down here, just more pictures. You're gonna want to put a lot of pictures, of yourself and of you cleaning windows. That's always good to have. You can have some professional take it, or even a friend or family or something like that. One of the other services that I also do is solar panel and gutter cleaning. I did not want my website to be really about that. I wanted to be all about window cleaning. So it is just a small mention here. I do have it on my vehicle as well, but I just put it on a small mention here. And then right here, a sparkling reputation for brilliant work. You'll see reviews pop up, which is really cool here. And then we'll go to more reviews later and a little bit more about that. Just a good thing here about we are fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind and everyone's safety, your property included. One kind of cool thing that I have to do with like my YouTube stuff and all that stuff for SteveO the Window Cleaner is I have this little video linked on here from my YouTube channel. So that's playing as people scroll down, and then they can also see like my Facebook page for SteveO the Window Cleaner, my Instagram for SteveO the Window Cleaner, and my YouTube for SteveO the Window Cleaner. And then also I have Powered by Jobber, which is my CRM, so someone can click on that as well. So all kind of cool things down here. That's really nice as well. And then down here we also have some of the different locations that I serve. So if we were to click on Fort Collins, there's actually a whole nother landing page for Fort Collins. So just some of the same things, but it's a little bit shorter of a page. It doesn't have all of the videos and different stuff like that for my social media stuff, but it has very similar things as the first page. Loveland, something different as well. So we kind of see similar stuff here, just some pictures of cleaning windows and then more reviews. I'm just going through all of this stuff. So just so you know, like another thing here for Longmont. So I chose my 5 main cities as the ones I want landing pages on, and that's going to help in searches and different stuff like that. Berthoud is actually my main area that I live, but it's a small town, so it's not the main area that I have for my main like landing page town, which is, if you clicked on this one, which is going to be Boulder, Colorado. So that's my main place that I try to do most work in. It's just the largest town that's closest. So next, one really cool thing here is reviews. So if you click on reviews here, this will show all of my reviews. Okay, view more. And what's really cool about this, and what's cool about using Nicejob, is that they have a whole review platform that you can do as well. As far as that, if you finished a job, it immediately send out a review. That's what I have worked in. It links in with Jobber. So immediately when I finish a job, it can send them a link to get the review the second I mark it complete in Jobber. Another way you can do it is they have an app, Nicejob app. You can write in there, since everything's linked together with Jobber and this. I already have all the customers in there, so I literally just search the name, it comes up. The second I leave their door, I can send them one. I do that because for a lot of my storefront customers, I didn't always want reviews being sent to them all the time. But the really nice thing is that once a review is sent out, another review ask is not going to be sent out for another 6 months. So that's something really nice as well. And then if somebody, so right now I have Google and Facebook as my main 2 platforms for reviews. If somebody doesn't have those, but they're in your Nicejob, you have their information and everything, they'll come up just on your website as a review. So that's really cool. So you won't lose out on reviews, which is really nice. Some of these people have even gave 2 reviews, so they have double reviews on here. But you can just go through, see all your reviews, which is really cool as far as that little place, so they can see all of that. And then if we go into the gallery is just a bunch of different photos of work, and these are all things that you can add on your own. So I'm going to jump here to kind of the back interface that I have here. So right here, we see a bunch of like reviews and stuff. But if we scroll down here a little bit, we see this picture that I put up on May 8th. So this picture is also right here on my website. So anytime that you have something cool from a project, you could basically post a picture on here on your stories. And you can do this through the phone app as well. You can create a story, add a photo to that, and then that will go to your website. So if you did like a really huge project, it'd be really good to post that project on here so that people can see when they look at your website some of the different stuff that you do. So that's a very easy way of doing that. You can also share Google reviews as like stories. You can share those on Google or Facebook. Google, you can also share stuff. They have kind of like a social media thing where you can share posts. So that's a really good thing to do as well. But that's something that's really nice about partnering up with Nicejob or using Nicejob for the review service, is that if you do the website and the review service, it has all that nice look as far as how it works out together very nicely. One of the things I really want to talk about here with a website is this little bottom thing here. You see new booking by Ann. And this will also pop up. Let's say if I go to this, let's wait here for a second and we'll see this thing pop up. Right here, new booking by Ginger. So this is a widget, okay? And this widget, if we go to settings, and we go to product settings, this widget is called Engage. Engage, win at least 10% more sales from your website by adding social proof to your website. So that's exactly what it is. It's just like adding proof that you're getting bookings, you're getting reviews, all that good stuff. So I have it up there for reviews and bookings. So it's pretty cool. It's going to show on your mobile as well, but it just gets people more enticed. There's something going on there. It's just really cool as far as that goes, and it's something so easy to use as well. So that's what that little thing is. I always get questions about that, like what is that? And that's what it is. Something really cool too up here, get a quote. So if someone want to get a quote, and this works really well, that when somebody does this, I get a text message and an email. So I get a text message with their phone number, and then I get an email with their phone number and their email address. So that's really nice. So Somebody just simply enters their name, their email, and their phone number, gets a quick quote. I gotta enter all that stuff, and then basically that will be sent to me. I can contact them right away. I've had many customers say, wow, like it's amazing how quickly you get back. And it's because I get it on my phone right away. Sometimes email isn't the best, but it's a super, super easy way to get that information quick, because as you know, it is super important to be able to jump on those bits quick, especially when you're a new business. So that's really nice to do as well. So yeah, that is my website. It's a pretty quick run through, really. I have quite a few different landing pages just for the different cities. I really like the video part that's here, that just kind of interactive. One really, really cool thing I do want to show you though is just how many different things this can all work with. So I just want to show you this page here. Connect your favorite apps to Nicejob. So the apps that I use with Nicejob are Jobber and QuickBooks. But then they have all these other ones. Xero, I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. House Call Pro, Intercom, Responsibid, Field Pulse, Market, SynGym, Service Monster, okay? And then it even has some new stuff down here as well. Add new HubSpot customers to Nicejob, enroll new Keep Max Classic customers in a Nicejob, get reviews campaign. So I mean, you just have tons of things here, and I'd say something that's really, really cool here, customer factor. Something that's really cool that they do is that even when you haven't even asked them to look at anything on your website, all they'll send you an email and they'll be like, hey, we saw that the images were kind of off when you looked at your stuff online, so we changed everything, just so you know. And so that's really cool, because basically you have someone always there to be able to say, hey, I want these images put on. Boom, they'll be done within like a week with it. So that's something really cool as well. As far as social media accounts that I connect with this, you can connect Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and Twitter. I have Google and Facebook, so that's really nice as well. And then also for review sites, we have all these review sites that you can get reviews with using Nicejob. So when I send out my review link, if I finish a job or send it out, they're going to get links so they can do stuff on Google or Facebook. So if they don't have a Gmail, they can still do it on Facebook. And then the Nicejob one is always here, so that if they do it, it will go onto your website as well. Other ones are Better Business Bureau, Capterra, City Search, G2, Home Advisor, HomeStar, TripAdvisor, and Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Zillow. So all just really, really cool there as far as just being able to link this up with many, many, many different things. So anyways, that just kind of is a light, brief kind of discussion about my website. Once again, I think it's really, really important to get a website and to be as professional as possible. I think with this new business series, and one of the things that I've seen throughout my time in this industry is that you need to be willing to go all out for your business. You need to be willing to put in all the effort. And I think what I've done in getting my vehicle all logoed up, getting the good website, getting out there and getting my business on as many platforms as possible. For me in this year, it's been a weird year in that the business has done very, very well. I work on my own. I also do sales WCR. So, I'm kind of splitting my time between the two now, but the leads that I get to my website are awesome. It works out really, really well for me. I think something like this still would even be bigger for even a larger company. And you could just get tons and tons of reviews. You could have, tons of quotes coming in organized. There's so many other ways to link this with so many different things to make it work for your business. So if it's something that you want to look into and you want to get a convert website made by Nicejob, I will put a link below. I'm also going to put in the description some other websites of different companies that have their website made through Nicejob, so you can see some of the different looks. It doesn't have to be the look that I have here. They give you different color options. They give you, all that stuff, but it's also up to you to have some really good pictures to put up here. One of the things I do to get really, really good pictures is I use my GoPro. My GoPro with the app has a lot of cool settings where you can grab really, really cool pictures. And with window cleaning, you want action shots. People like action shots. And so that's what I try to do in all of my social media. And with this is action shots. And people really, really like that from what I've found. So if it's something that interests you to have Nicejob make your website, or you just want to get a website made, I strongly encourage you to look and see what would work for you and what would work for your business financially. But the return on investment is a very, very important thing to think about when doing a website. A lot of people don't like that huge, the huge one-time, payment for a website, or, a monthly charge for a website. The way Nicejob does it is you do pay monthly for the website. You pay like an initial fee with that monthly fee, and then monthly from there. So that's something to look at as well when thinking about it. If you have any questions, message me. I always do encourage, though, with stuff like Nicejob or Jobber, to reach out to the company directly. That's going to be your best source of information of really how to get your questions answered. So I hope this video has been helpful, and please comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time. Bye.